Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making creamy mushrooms, so let's just get started. For which first I switch on my pan. So I switch on my hot plate. In the pan goes some olive oil. Now I'm going to add some onions to this. Once your onions have turned pink, that's when you will add garlic. Then we will add in our mushrooms. Add some more oil to this. This I'm going to add some chili flakes and some pepper. 10 minutes to cook this till your mushrooms have soft and shriveled up. I have added in some cream and milk, to which now I'm going to add grated cheddar. Once I've added my cheese, I have with me some fresh rosemary. Mix in the rosemary, you can smell it right off the bat. This I'm going to add salt, and we're ready to serve creamy mushrooms. Hope you guys at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and keep watching Desi Bites for more easy recipes. I will see you in another fun episode. Take care everyone.
Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to Desi Bites. Today's recipe is very interesting and it's very easy. It is roasted potatoes with bacon. So now some oil in the pan. Now I'm going to fry some bacon. The bacon has become crispy. We're going to take it off the flame. Baby potatoes baked at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. In the bacon fat, you will add chopped garlic. Once the garlic has toasted brown, so now we have added tomato puree. We're going to let the tomato puree and the garlic cook for a bit. In this we will add salt, some pepper, and some fresh parsley. Mix this all together. Once that is done, I'm going to add in the baby potatoes, the bacon, and give it a good stir. And done. Now on this, we're going to add our final ingredient, Parmesan cheese. top, just some fresh parsley. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have a feeling that you will try this at home because it is so easy and so delicious. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you all are going to take care. Bye. Everyone, welcome to Desi Bites. Today is Dimsum day and I'm going to be making veg dimsums. First things, get a bowl, in go some onions, beans. Please don't substitute onion for a vegetable. Make sure you put the same amount that you would put for a chicken dim sum. Carrots and some spring onion. Some chopped ginger, chopped garlic, salt, black pepper and sugar. Then now I'll put in some oil. You guys can use olive oil, which is a healthy option as we all know. Vinegar and soy sauce. Let's mix it all together. So once this is all mixed, then what I have here in my dim sum basket is butter paper. Butter paper with the shiny side up, place it on top just like this. I've made holes in it and coated it with oil so that when your dim sum steam, they do not stick to the butter paper. While I fold my dim sums, I'm going to let my water boil. Now these are sheets that I picked up from the market, the dim sum sheets, or they're also called wonton wrappers. Let's start. First I'm going to do a simple candy wrap. Guys, you can make whatever shape you want. There is nothing fixed. At the end of the day, it's still a dim sum. That doesn't really change. Okay, water's all steaming and in go my dim sums. Again, by the clock, 10 to 12 minutes later you check on it. So guys, 15 minutes are over and the dim sums have cooked. So I'm just going to get them off the heat. They look good. A nice lovely sriracha sauce. And ready to serve vegetarian dim sums. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you for another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care. See you and have a good time. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Happy Holi, guys. It's Holi and what happens on Holi? We all drink bhang. So this is the episode where I teach you how to make the perfect Hundai for a perfect Holi. Pistachios, some almonds, some cashews, some walnut. Now to this I'm going to add a little bit of milk, and just that much so that it blends. Some more milk is going to go in so that it's properly grinded. Yeah, so once that is done, it doesn't really have to be properly fine. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this Hundai syrup. And now our final and the most important ingredient this Holi, which is bhang. So please be cautious while you add this nasty ingredient, because the more you add, the happier your Holi will be, or not. We don't know, you can't tell. So just be very careful while handling this stuff. Wow, that's really strong. I think I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Ready, get, set, go. And I'm hoping this is done. Smells lovely, looks also nice. All this needs is some ice and chilling, and this drink is ready to be served. So now on top of this, I'm going to add slivers of almond. There you go. Okay guys, so this is now ready, and do try this at home. And kids, if you're watching this, do not try this at home because this is not for you. So having said that, hope you guys have a great Holi, and see you soon in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care, and I will see you soon. Hi everyone, and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making grilled chicken skewers with a red wine sauce. For this, I have taken chicken breasts which have been sliced and put up on skewers. I've then marinated this with olive oil, black pepper, salt, chili flakes and rosemary. Now, you don't really have to add rosemary, you can add any herb that you have. You can use fresh herbs or you can use dried up herbs. Salt, pepper, herbs, chili flakes and olive oil. That's about it. Let's start with making the sauce first. For the sauce, we have bottled barbecue sauce that you get in the market. So I've taken some of that, add that to the pan. To this barbecue sauce, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some red wine to this. Just a little bit of red wine, glossy, give it a very good flavor with the wine. So now I'm going to put my sauce. I just put this in a glass because it's easier to pour it out. You can use the same pan because we're putting the sauce on top of the chicken anyway, so it's alright if you use the same pan. Now in this, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Pan heat up. Then I'm going to add my chicken skewers one by one.
grilled chicken skewers in red wine sauce. This is going to take 10 to 12 minutes to get done to perfection. I'm cooking it on a slow flame so that they cook through nicely. And since I'm using chicken breast, it will cook faster than chicken leg would have cooked. And this is there you have it guys, a very easy recipe to execute. So try it and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in another episode. Till then, let's take care. See you.